Hey everyone, welcome back to Reviews 360. I'm Shimanto, and today we've got something truly exciting to talk about. If you're a fan of chainsaws and the thrill of cutting through timber, you're in for a treat. We're diving deep into the Husqvarna CHAINSAW Festival 2024. So grab your safety gear and let's rev up those engines. Now, before we dive into the details, let's get a quick overview of what the Husqvarna CHAINSAW Festival is all about. It's an annual event that brings together chainsaw enthusiasts from around the world. Held in USA, this festival is a celebration of power, precision, and, of course, some friendly competition. From seasoned professionals to hobbyists, it's a gathering like no other. One of the highlights of the festival is the series of thrilling chainsaw competitions. Whether it's speed cutting, precision carving, or even a lumberjack relay, competitors showcase their skills in a variety of challenges. It's not just about raw power, it's about finesse and technique. And trust me, witnessing these competitions live is an adrenaline rush like no other. Now, let's talk gear. The festival is also a fantastic opportunity to get up close and personal with the latest models from Husqvarna. From the powerful Rancher series to the lightweight and nimble models designed for precision work, there's something for everyone. Manufacturers often use the festival as a platform to unveil their newest innovations, making it a must-attend for chainsaw enthusiasts and professionals alike. But it's not just about the pros showing off their skills. The festival also hosts a range of workshops and demonstrations for attendees to learn from the best. Whether you're a seasoned pro looking to refine your technique or a beginner eager to get started, there's a workshop for you. It's a fantastic opportunity to gain hands-on experience and tips from experts in the field. Beyond the roar of chainsaws, the festival is a hub for like-minded individuals to connect and share their passion. Whether you're swapping tips with a seasoned logger or bonding over the latest advancements in chainsaw technology, the sense of community at the Husqvarna CHAINSAW Festival is truly special. And there you have it, folks. The Husqvarna CHAINSAW Festival 2024 is shaping up to be an unforgettable experience. If you're as excited as I am, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Stay tuned for more updates, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, keep those chainsaws buzzing and stay safe out there.